Work gloves protect your hands from the rigors of manual labor. They can also protect against physical damage, while specialist gloves can provide a barrier to protect against hazards like screws and nails, as well as repetitive shocks. There are many products available to choose the best heavy-duty work gloves, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ironclad Ranchworx Work Gloves. The Ironclad Ranchworx Work Gloves were impressive right out of the package. They come with a lot of little extras, such as multiple rows of overstitching for durability. We pulled on the Ironclad gloves, and they fit well, although the fingers seemed slightly narrow compared with other gloves of the same size. Overall, they were comfortable, especially at the tips of the fingers, because they do not feature interior seams as some gloves do. We wore the gloves while performing a variety of construction and outdoor farm tasks, and they held up well. The black terry cloth strips on the back of the thumbs came in handy for wiping away forehead sweat as we conducted our tests in temperatures greater than 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. G&F Products Parent Double-Coated Work Gloves. The G&F Products 3100 LDZ Parent Double-Coated Work Gloves are cheap, come in packs of 12 to 120 pairs, and are latex-dipped cotton gloves, so they offer protection while still being flexible and allowing movement and protection. Options include general purpose as well as those designed for precision handling that are nitrile dipped and therefore more flexible. Cold weather winter gloves have an acrylic thermal knit shell and a double coating palm. Some improvements could be made to the fingertips, which wear off quite quickly when used for heavy-duty purposes, and there are reports of buyers being sent the wrong size. However, their durability and flexibility, combined with excellent price, makes these the best heavy-duty gloves for the money. Number 3. Midwest 850-liter Heavy-Duty Work Gloves. The Midwest 850-liter heavy-duty work gloves are premium quality gloves made from buffalo leather. They have a keystone thumb, which increases flexibility for this digit while preventing uncomfortable and damaging rubbing against the leather. These gloves are made from buffalo leather, which is tougher but lighter than cow's leather. While these gloves are flexible, thanks to their material choice, they do not have any lining, which means that you will have to add additional layers if you want to increase the warmth, durability, or other elements of the gloves. It is popular thanks to its abrasive resistance and its greater puncture resistance when compared to other types of leather. Unlined leather gloves do increase flexibility, but you may have to add an extra layer of glove which will further increase the cost. Number 4. Mechanix Wear Pact Coyote Tactical Gloves. Although the Mechanix Wear MPT 72009M Pact Coyote Tactical Gloves are heavy-duty work gloves, they only weigh 2 ounces, which makes them some of the lightest on our list. Available in small to XX large and in a choice of colors, these gloves are made from a combination of materials including thermoplastic rubber that protects against impact and abrasive injury. The gloves are also designed in such a way that the index finger is free to move around, designed for use as combat gloves and allowing for freedom of movement for your trigger finger. As seen with an increasing number of these heavy-duty gloves. Number 5. Ironclad Hug 04L Heavy Utility Work Gloves. Ironclad Hug 04L Heavy Utility Work Gloves are made from synthetic leather. This means that they retain flexibility, while Duraclad reinforcements on the palms and other areas greatly improve their durability. Thermoplastic rubber is used to protect the knuckles, guarding against abrasion and impact damage. The gloves are a comfortable and flexible fit. They can also be put in the washing machine to keep them clean, although they do need air drying to prevent shrinking. The terry cloth outer also means that these gloves are sweat wiping resistant and allow you to prevent being put off by sweat dripping down your face. There are also some reports of degradation in quality compared to previous designs of the same glove. Finally, their durability is not as high as in other pairs of heavy-duty gloves. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.